What's that one there, Malcolm?
That's to show you where your tilt is. You know, your
Oh,
true.
aye, right, aye.
That's just tell you about it. I'm trying not to swear because I'm on the video camera. Someone will be more. Get your fucking boat out of there! Cunt!